We're currently campervanning around New Zealand and we're using my mobile phone as a GPS device. We don't have a phone holder, so it sits on the centre console in between the two seats. The phone moves around when you're driving and has even fallen off a few times on the floor. We've tried it in the back section of the centre console, but it's too far to turn. So we had some spare hair ties and I threaded them into the air duct. The phone in this position is much better, but the hair ties are still covering some of the screen, which means you can't see all of the information. So there's some further improvement needed on this. Kind of by accident I discovered that by plugging in the charging cable I could mount the lower part of the phone in this way, which actually clears the lower half of the screen, but the upper half is still covered and it's still difficult to see. So we had a clip that we were using to hold the barbecue together, and I managed to use that alongside the hair tie on the top, so it holds it nice and securely. It doesn't block any of the screen and it doesn't actually interfere with the camera, and there is a little bit of movement in it, but it doesn't really move when you're driving. And this is another example of using our heads and not our wallets to fix what bugs us.